Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices cooled near a record peak hit in the previous session as the dollar held ground, but stayed afloat at the $2,400 level on support from safe haven interest and prospects of US interest rates easing this year. The US dollar edged up against the euro as Federal Reserve policymakers said it is prudent for the US central bank to wait several more months to ensure that inflation really is back on a path to the 2% target before commencing interest rate cuts. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission reportedly reached out to major US exchanges, including Nasdaq and NYSE, to update their applications to list and trade spot Ether exchange-traded funds from asset managers.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 6 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 10 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The US existing home sales at 14 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.